Welcome back to the Brain Sculpt channel, your trusted source for health and wellness information. Breakfast, often hailed as the most important meal of the day, plays a pivotal role in weight management. The secret? Protein. This mighty nutrient keeps you satiated, fires up your metabolism, and is a key player in weight loss. So how about we make breakfast a protein-packed powerhouse? Today we bring you high-protein breakfast ideas that not only nourish your body but also assist in your weight loss journey. The first on our list is a classic yet protein-packed breakfast, the egg white scramble. Egg whites are a fantastic source of protein, and they're incredibly low in calories too. This makes them a great choice if you're looking to shed some pounds while maintaining your muscle mass. Now let's whip up a simple yet delicious egg white scramble. Start with separating the whites from the yolks. Heat a non-stick pan, pour in your egg whites and stir until they're cooked to your liking. Feel free to add some veggies for extra flavor and nutrients. This breakfast packs a whopping 17 grams of protein per 3 egg whites. So, that's a delicious, quick, and protein-rich breakfast to kickstart your day. Next up, we have something for our plant-based friends, a quinoa and chia seed porridge. Let's dive right into the goodness of these two superfoods. Quinoa, often mistaken as a grain, is actually a seed. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Then we have chia seeds. These tiny wonders are packed with protein and fiber, helping you feel full longer. Now, let's talk about the preparation. Start by cooking your quinoa, then simmer it with almond milk until it's creamy. Stir in your chia seeds, let it thicken, and voila! You have a protein-rich, plant-based breakfast. Top it with some fresh fruits or nuts for added flavor. This plant-based breakfast is not only nutritious but also a protein powerhouse that will keep you full and energized. So, there you have it. 2 high-protein breakfast ideas that are not only delicious, but also assist in weight loss. We've delved into the significance of the first meal of the day, setting the tone for your nutritional intake and kickstarting your metabolism. We've highlighted the integral role of protein in weight loss, how it keeps you feeling fuller for longer, aids in muscle repair and growth, and even burns more calories during digestion. We've explored 2 scrumptious high-protein breakfast ideas. The first, a versatile protein-packed smoothie, a blend of fruits, greens, and a protein source. The second, a hearty egg-based dish, combined with vegetables for added fiber and nutrients. Both dishes are easy to prepare, adaptable to personal preferences, and are sure to keep your taste buds and waistline happy. Remember, a high-protein breakfast is a great way to start your day and aid your weight loss journey. Thank you for joining us at Brain Sculpt, and until next time, keep sculpting your mind and body.
If you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your friends. To receive more content similar to this, subscribe by hitting the button and make sure to ring the notification bell.